Hey y'all, this is Tim here at Sam Boswell Honda here in Enterprise, Alabama, and this is the 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4, a truck that's just as comfortable handling a trailer as it is taking you to a black tie dinner. It's got brains, brawn, and a surprising amount of luxury for something that's built essentially to get muddy. And today I'm going to give you a closer look at it. Now the AT4 is GMC's off-road focused trim, sitting somewhere between the Denali's luxury and the Pro's rugged simplicity. Straight from the factory you get a 2-inch lift, off-road suspension, skid plates, and those aggressive Goodyear Wranglers that are just begging for a dirt road. Now this one right here is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine that puts out around 420 horsepower and around 460 pound-feet of torque, and it's pushing that through a 10-speed automatic transmission. And the Sierra AT4 is no lightweight when it comes to work. Properly equipped, this can tow up to 9,000 pounds and handle a payload of just over 2,000 pounds. And with features like an integrated trailer brake controller, trailer sway control, and hill descent control, it's built for confidence whether you're towing a boat or a camper. And GMC's ProGrade trailering system takes it to a whole other level. You can check your trailer lights, monitor tire pressures, and even store multiple trailer profiles right from the infotainment screen, which I'll be showing you here shortly. Now step inside, and this is where the AT4 really surprises you. You've got premium leather with red contrast stitching, real aluminum accents, and a layout that it just feels equal parts rugged and refined. Now, right in front of the driver's seat here, you have your 12.3-inch digital driver display paired with a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen, which is running Google built in. So you've got Google Maps, Google Assistant, and the Google Play Store right at your fingertips, even if you accidentally leave your phone at home, which I highly doubt you will if you're driving something like this. But if you do, this thing has Google already built in for you. Now here's something a little bit interesting. This particular AT4 doesn't have the traditional heads-up display, but instead what it has is a series of red alert lights that are right where the HUD would normally project. And what these do is these illuminate for collision warnings and certain driver assist alerts. So it's subtle, but it definitely grabs your attention when it needs to. Now on the road, the AT4 feels composed. The off-road suspension really smooths out bumps and the cabin stays impressively quiet. And that is thanks in no small part to the Bose premium sound system. So whether you're blasting some country tunes or, like me, listening to some podcast or something, no matter what, this thing sounds incredible. And these front seats are heated and ventilated, the steering wheel's heated, and you've even got rear heated seats, so no one's left out when it's cold. And if you're like me, you will love the big center console and all the smart storage that GMC has tucked throughout the cabin. And now I want to talk about one of my favorite features on any GMC truck, and that is the Multi-Pro tailgate. This thing has more configurations than a Swiss Army knife. I mean, check this out. You can do this. So basically just dropping it down normally like a standard tailgate, or you can fold the inner gate down for easier access, or you can do this. Now you have incredibly easy access to the bed of the truck because you've got your handrail, you've got steps, and look how easy this is. I mean, if I can do that, I think anybody can. Now this is one of those features that may sound or look like a gimmick, but I promise you, if you just use it once, then you'll realize you can't live without it now. Now, speaking about things that are just extremely convenient about this truck, The Sierra's camera system is one of the best in the business, offering up to 14 different views, including a bed view, a hitch view, and even a transparent trailer view if you're towing. Now, what's transparent trailer view, you may ask? Well, with the accessory camera that can be purchased from GM's website, you can actually mount the camera to the back of a large trailer that would otherwise just completely block your view, such as like a big box trailer or something that you would use if you were, moving furniture or something that had to be covered. The camera integrates with the infotainment system and even provides you with rear trailer guidelines, just like you would normally get when you're in reverse. By the way, look how great the camera system is on this thing. Now see, I left a little chair out there so you can actually see that, obviously there's a chair there that you can see on this camera. But if you look over here, you'll notice there's a 360 camera. And what do you know? You can see the chair from above right there. It's almost like you've got a drone flying above you that just shows you everything around you. It makes maneuvering this truck about as easy as it could possibly be. So here's the deal. The 2024 GMC Sierra AT4 gives you capability that rivals the best off-roaders in its class, with tech and comfort that make it just as good for the daily drive. Whether you're towing or exploring or just commuting, it's built to handle it all and look good doing it. So if you'd like to test drive this luxurious off-road beast, give me a call or text me at 334-308-2051, or just come on down to Sam Boswell Honda here in Enterprise, Alabama. Ask for Tim, and we will get you behind the wheel. Hope to see you soon.